What's up YouTube? This is Hill Phantom. I'm getting ready to do a quick unboxing of StarLink from Elon Musk and Tesla. It is basically a satellite internet system. I'm hoping to use it not so much here at home, but on the road in my RV. So let's take a look what's inside the box. All right, looks like first we have a pretty cool diagram. Download the app, set up the satellite, hook up your power to the satellite, power to the modem, and then connect. We'll see how easy it is. I'm not going to go through the steps of connection. I'll do that in the next video. So far, so good. Nice sturdy packaging, that's for sure. So it looks like we have up top here a base for the satellite. So that's going to be what the satellite pedestal, what the satellite stands on. We'll put that over here. Then it looks like we have the satellite itself, the power block, as well as the modem. It's kind of funny, they actually connected all this stuff. So I'm going to disconnect it for now. This goes to the satellite, it looks like. So we'll unplug that. So that's the power brick here. Hopefully you can see that. Looks like it is 56 volts, 1.6 amps. So yeah, not too bad. Power brick. Cables to the satellite dish itself. And again, this is the router. Really have to give it to him on the router. It looks really cool. Super modern looking. So it looked kind of neat sitting on wherever I have it, either in an RV or at the house. Again, I'm going to use this probably on the road if I can, if they let you. And then I might use it as a backup system here at the house. And then looks like the last part is just the satellite dish itself. So let's take this out. And you can see the size of it. So it is pretty heavy. Seems like it's made pretty well. So that, real quickly, is the unboxing of StarLink, and I will be setting it up in the next video and doing a review, just posting some of my findings about the system.